In this video, I'll show you how to change the font weight of product titles on collection pages in Shopify Dawn theme. And as an example, here's a quick preview of what the product titles will look like once the bold styling is applied. As you can see, they stand out much more on the page. So now let's walk through the steps how to make this change in your theme. At first, log into Shopify admin account and then select Online Store. Now locate Dawn theme and then select Customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, click on Homepage and then select Collections. Then click on Default Collection. Then on the left under Template, click on the Product Grid, then scroll all the way to the bottom and look for the Custom CSS section. We're going to be adding the Custom CSS rule right here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the product titles. Let's right-click on one of them, then select Inspect. We'll be targeting the following class selector, which is card _heading and the A tag inside of it. Perfect. Let's go back to the editor and let's type the following rule. Type period. Card _heading space A. Now open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line type font -weight space bold followed by semicolon. Once complete, just save the changes. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing one of the collections. And as you can notice, the product titles now appear in bold, and this change will be reflected in other collections right over here. And lastly, if you have feature product section on your homepage like I do over here, and you want to change the font weight of product titles, we can actually use the same CSS rule. For that, let's go back to the editor. Let's copy the current CSS rule. Then click on Default Collections. Let's go to Homepage. Then on the left under Template, click on Feature Collection. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Look for the Custom CSS section and just paste the current rule. And now save the changes. Once the changes are saved, let's go back to the home page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, the product titles under feature product section also appear in bold. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.